Hello and welcome to the preliminary report on this C.E.C. TL-0 belt-driven transport. Let me play a couple of tones first, if I can make it to actually do something. And as you see, it starts with, with some lag, because that's I suppose the feature of it. And he plays it there, so 15 is the next one. So this is basically to show that the laser in it is in fine condition and produce a reasonable amount of output, 0.15 of a milliwatt. It plays CDRs, and as you see, passes the standard test. So I'll play some music now and tell you more, but while we have it out, what we have here is a Sanyo SFP1 laser with the standard, Sanyo mechanism. There's nothing fancy here. The whole fanciness is in the mechanical arrangement. So this sub platter is suspended on, I suppose, on some kind of rubbers or whatever it is inside. I haven't opened up, so I have no idea. And the motors are, I suppose, bolted to the chassis. So there is a decoupling, mechanical decoupling between the motors and the rest of it. Interestingly, it starts, I think, this must be some kind of light reflectors, because, even putting a CD there sometimes starts it, but then as it first started when I put a CD, but then it requires actually a puck. So these are sensors of some sort. I haven't really determined what they are. But I think now they are magnetic. A bit of dirt there, but I mean nothing that I couldn't clean off later. So before, when I just put in a disc, the thing would start originally, but now it requires a puck. And as you see, the puck starts the whole thing rolling. The owner was worried about the remote, that it's unsightly. It looks unsightly. It's got the rubber has perished and it's sticky. That is not really a problem. I can remove that stickiness. The problem is that it just doesn't work, doesn't produce any beam. Well, so it happens that I have here another C.E.C. remote that I can use, and but that is not the main issue. The main issue with this player is that, and I have witnessed that, and maybe it will come through now, that it starts well, and after some times it just begins to distort. It just and then turning on and off and works it. Just in case you're wondering what's the square wave like, that's the square wave. As you see, it's not very square. I can stop it or freeze it, and that's what it looks like. Maybe this is what brings this unique sound, and it does appear to sound unique. It does work, as you see, reasonably well as far as changing tracks, and it's not quite like a normal player, but it is approaching that of the 51XR, which I believe is the best of them. So it even competently, you can wind it forward, which belt drives don't sort of normally do that. So it is almost as good as this is not what I wanted to do. Oh, you see, now we have it. That's the distortion I was talking about. Okay. So it is a mechanical in nature. Maybe it will be fixed tomorrow when I get some more belts. One of the belts is fraction. It's 1.5 millimeter, whereas I need 1 millimeter. And because this is that belt is a bit thicker, but I just don't have all possible sizes, and so maybe that will be fixed. I just wanted to show I pressed the wrong button, that it can even wind backwards, which for belt drives is very difficult. So hopefully this is all done now. You know, just a belt replacement. I'll have to have it on soak, but it appears to be a competent player, and well, I think once I sort out the belt, the owner should be reasonably happy with it. Well, thank you very much for your attention, and maybe I'll do another one, I'll see. But it is certainly a unique player, and you know, at $24,000, it wasn't cheap. It did appear to sound nice, as much as I can work out on my workshop system, which I suppose is a benchmark DAC there in the Sensui 100-watt amp, but the speakers are terrible. Well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye-bye.